How to worship Sri Yantra at home. Sri Yantra is a Hindu sacred symbol that represents the universe and is considered to be one of the most powerful tools for attracting prosperity and positive energy. Worshipping Sri Yantra at home can be done in the following ways. 1. Create a sacred space. Choose a quiet and clean place in your home where you can set up the Sri Yantra and meditate. This could be a separate room or an altar in your living space. 2. Set up the Sri Yantra. You can purchase a Sri Yantra poster or murti statue and place it in the center of your sacred space. You can also draw or make your own Sri Yantra. 3. Offer prayers and light incense. Light incense and offer prayers to the Sri Yantra, asking for blessings and positive energy in your life. You can also offer flowers or other offerings. 4. Meditate. Sit comfortably in front of the Sri Yantra and focus your mind and energy on it. Visualize the symbol shining with bright light and radiating positive energy into your life. Repeat a mantra or affirmations related to your intention for the meditation. 5. Repeat the ritual regularly. The more you worship the Sri Yantra, the stronger its energy and blessings will be in your life. You can do this daily or weekly. Those who meditate on or have a Sri Yantra in their homes are supposed to get the many advantages associated with this auspicious Hindu and Tantric emblem. Some of the many advantages of Sri Yantra are as follows. It is thought that meditating in front of a Sri Yantra can make one feel closer to God and raise their spiritual vibrations. If you focus your attention on this symbol during meditation, you'll be able to expand your awareness and learn more about the cosmos and your role in it. Sri Yantra is also linked to material success and prosperity. It is believed that having this emblem displayed at home or at the office will bring prosperity and financial security. As an added bonus, the Sri Yantra is thought to improve one's health for the better. Health and well-being may be enhanced via meditation on this symbol, which brings mental clarity while alleviating tension and worry. Some individuals feel the Sri Yantra might aid boost imagination and originality. Concentrating on the symbol is a way to unlock one's latent creative abilities. Sri Yantra is also revered as a potent amulet that may shield its owner from evil spirits and other harmful forces. One's house or workplace will benefit from the removal of bad energy and the introduction of harmony by just displaying this sign. Those who employ Sri Yantra in combination with regular meditation and spiritual practice are considered to reap the full advantages of the symbol. To sum up, the Sri Yantra is a strong and ancient symbol with significant spiritual meaning in Hinduism and Tantra. The Sri Yantra is thought to provide a variety of advantages that can improve one's life and well-being, including spiritual development, financial success, physical wellness, innovative thinking, and defense against harmful forces. Take the first step towards attracting prosperity and positive energy into your life by setting up a Sri Yantra in your home today. Create a sacred space, offer prayers and light incense, meditate, and repeat the ritual regularly. Experience the powerful blessings and energy of the Sri Yantra for yourself and see the positive changes it can bring into your life. Don't wait. Take action now and transform your life for the better. Click the link in the description to learn more about Sri Yantra.